Hello, I'm Abdurrahman and I have created a fitness plan to help the participants to improve their stamina for long running distance. The two fitness components that I have chosen to improve is cardiovascular endurance and speed. I have analyzed two research questions. A is to investigate how a well-researched, well-planned and well-implemented exercise program targeted at one sport impacts the improvement in three different fitness tests: Cooper test, setup test, and agility test. My prediction was I believe that the fitness plan that I have created was targeted the most on the Cooper test because I chose to improve cardiovascular endurance and speed. I'll be improving my stamina and speed by the fitness plan that I have created. I think that my fitness plan helps me improve in the Cooper test because after the 4 weeks of exercising, my stamina and speed will be improved, and then I'll be able to do better in the Cooper test from before. B is to investigate the correlation of the exercise program with two variables: height and resting heart rate. My prediction was that taller people will achieve greater distances than the shorter people because taller people have longer legs. In the fitness plan, there is 4 weeks, and each week there is 3 sessions. In each session, there is everything that the participant needs to do specifically. For example, there is sets and timing for each exercise. The exercises in my plan was suicide running, stationary bike, leg workout, calves workout, and at the end of each session there is cool down. Using my GDC, I calculated the statistics for the Cooper distances before and after the fitness program. I have calculated the mode, mean, median, range, lower quartile, upper quartile, standard deviation. I saw the improvements by calculating the mean of the before and after performance. The mean for before was 1697.8 and for after was 1963.4. We can see the improvements that the participant have done in their performance. Moreover, I also saw the improvements by the box plots. I have compared the two box plots to show if there are any improvements or not. To compare the two box plots, first I need to know the IQR for each before and after, and then I'll be able to see if there are improvements. The IQR for before was 620 and for after was 480, which indicates the spread out of middle 50%. On the other hand side, I also compare the two box plots by the mean. The mean is the average of the number. To calculate the mean, you must add all the numbers up and then divide how many numbers there are. Calculation of correlation coefficient before. The House component that I have evaluated was height. The value of R is equal to 0.3344. The relationship between the variables is weak. The nearer the value is to 0, the weaker the relationship. Correlation is equal to weak positive correlation. Calculation of correlation coefficient after. The value of R is equal to 0.3329. The correlation coefficient is weak, but it is positive, which means that the relationship between the variables is weak. As I said, the nearer the value is to 0, the weaker is the relation. I think that math and PHE allowed me to understand the chosen topic. In the creation of this plan, I used PHE and math. In PHE, I clarify my knowledge in the fitness plan and research specific workouts needed in the plan, and all the performance and testing was performed in PHE. In math, I use my statistical knowledge to calculate the statistics for the results, for example, to calculate averages and to create graphs and box plots. If this would have been done again, I would change some aspects. One of the most weaknesses in my fitness plan is that it is not very detailed because it didn't manage time and it didn't have specific sets. To improve, I think I should make the plan a bit flexible to the participants and make everything clear and let them know what should they do exactly with the specific timing and specific sets. To conclude, I think that my plan was effective and it reaches all the goals to improve my cardiovascular endurance and speed, and this can be shown by the data. After the research that I have done for PHE and math, I believe that my plan will be effective for the participant and will make them run more and faster for the long distance. Thank you for watching.